Hi, I'm Jamie Helfenstein, and this is my Dispositions to Teach Part 2 video, and I'm here to answer the 3 questions that were given to me. So, question number 1 says, what dispositions do you possess that you think will make you a successful teacher? So, I think I'm a positive and uplifting person, and supportive, and the kids really need that because they're young and need the guidance. And I think I'm empathetic and kind, which is also important because they need someone nice to look up to and make them feel like home, I guess. Uh, and then also, I'm a fast thinker and I can be quick on my feet, which is important too because kids can be super unpredictable, so that'll help me most definitely. um, Question 2 says, what dispositions do you need to work on before you enter the classroom as a first-year teacher? So, a few things I need to work on, I guess, would be learning through, personal experience and, reflecting on that. So as I teach throughout the years, of course, my first year isn't going to be that easy, but I'll learn each year by taking what I've done that's good and bad, and of course from other teachers too that know what they're doing, and just the consequences from my own actions. So knowing what I'm doing and how that affects others and my students. I think those are 2 big ones that I should work on. That will make me a successful teacher. And then the third question says, what qualities do professional educators have and how do they behave? Well, of course, they have to be professional and you need to know what you're doing, obviously, and you need to be representing something, and you can't just be all fun and games and what's the word? You need to be held to a higher standard, I guess is what I'm getting at. What standards guide the thinking and actions? Well, of course, if you're working for a school, you need to be appropriate and professional, and you need to know what you're doing, obviously. And your actions have consequences, so of course, you need to know, how to be appropriate in what you're doing, professional, obviously. And of course, first year teaching isn't going to be the easiest thing, but I think everyone knows a general idea of what you're supposed to do and what not to do. And of course, you need to provide a good example for your students. So that also will provide a sense of what you're supposed to do, I guess. So my 3 minutes are up, but that's what I think on the 3 questions. And now you know about me.